Hello, everyone. It's Brian here with Empowering Entrepreneurs Through Affiliate Marketing. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to build a landing page with LeadsLeap. It's completely free. You can get your traffic websites, human, not bot stuff here. List Manager, you can build up to 10 lists with an unlimited subscriber cap. You can build up to 10 pages with hosting included. You can create 10 pop-ups. You get an unlimited link tracker with a rotator link. You can make more money 4 ways from the system, and there's plenty more other options with this tool. It's a great option for beginners. You can get all of that for completely free. If you upgrade to Pro, you can build unlimited lists, unlimited pages. You get a lot more as a free member. I believe it's only $27 a month if you can catch it on a promotional day. Like, so you wait around until like a Monday or Tuesday, and up at the top corner, they will have a link where you can purchase it for $20. And if you purchase it then, you'll only pay $20 a month from then on out if you get it then. So without any other ado, let's get right into this. So once you're logged into your dashboard, you're going to want to come over to Page Manager. You're going to want to hit, well, let's go find a product first. Assuming you've already had a product, I'm going to go and get my product pulled up. I'll be using Warrior Plus for this product. So you can come over to Warrior Plus, create you a free account. Scroll down to the bottom, you can create you a free account at Warrior Plus. You can search through and find your own products. I already have a product picked out to make this video go a little bit faster. So I'm going to come over here and search my products. So I'm going to go to offers because I already have products already ready to go. And I'm going to simply click all requested offers. And I am going to be, it didn't swap for me for some reason. Hold on here, guys. All right, there we go. I'll be using spring traffic on this tutorial here. I'm also going to be giving a bonus folder away for people that sign up under my link. So if you have a bonus page created, which you can do that simply with Google Sites, or you can build you a bonus page with LeadsLeap also. But if you want to create a bonus page and you're going to enter that into your funnel, which I will be doing, you'll come over to your link settings, and here where it says buyer bonus URL, that's where you're going to put your bonus URL. So I have a link tracker here, and that's where I keep my link to my bonus folder, which I have 14 plus bonuses that I'm going to be giving away just for someone purchasing this product. So you come back over to your Warrior Plus account, you'll paste in that link here in your bonus folder and hit save. So now when someone makes a purchase and they go to access their purchase, right below where they get their purchase access, it'll say affiliate bonus. They can click that button and get your bonuses that you promised them. And if you're going to do this, make sure you deliver on your bonuses because you don't want to be lying to your people. So we need to view the sales page. Get a kind of an idea of what your product or offer looks like. Spring traffic, it doesn't get any easier than this. Push one button and enjoy free daily traffic forever. Okay, I already have something in mind. Let's pause that there. I don't want the video to start playing in the background. You come back over here and we're going to create add new campaign. You're going to give it a name. I'm going to name it spring traffic. So the day goes. All right, once your new campaign has been created, you're going to hit add new page. If you have a share code, which I can give you the share code to this funnel that we're fixing to build right here. and you can paste it in. You can import that right in if you get access to that product. If not, you're going to come over to Add Blank Page. Now you're going to hit Launch Editor. Alright, now it gives you plenty of templates. You got your opt-in pages, your thank you page, your review page, your sales page, your download page. I'm going to want to opt-in, which you can use any of these, and you can still put your opt-in form on any of these pages over here that you want to, if you just have something here that catches your eye better. I'm going to be using, I'm going to go with this one for this. Now you want to try to keep it as congruent as possible when you're creating your page. So ignore everything that says here. We're going to be changing all the words around and everything. Ignore this over here too for right now. We'll come back to this later. This is where you connect your autoresponder. Well, let's go ahead and get it out of the way. You can either use the autoresponder included with LeadsLeap. Like I said, it has no subscriber limit. That will be the one I'm using. You can use a third-party autoresponder like GetResponse or Aweber or something like that, but I'm going to be using SendSteed GetListID. I already have one created. It's called, I have it test 2 just for this video purpose. Alright, so now our autoresponder is connected to this page already. We're going to come back over here to row. Now we're going to start changing things out. So we're going to click this. I've already kind of mapped this page out so we can make this video a little quicker. So this is what we're going to say in the headline. You don't have to add this, but I find that it does get a little bit more attraction if you do it this way. Alright, now you want to change this background also. So you come over here, click background, and what you can do to stay more congruent is I have a little trick here. See, we're on this page, you see this background in the back here? Well, we can use this background. They're not going to care because they're going to want you to make these sales for them, right? So I have a little tool here that I use. It's called Visual Inspector. It is a Google Chrome extension. You can download that, go to your Chrome extension, come over here, hit the camera. It's going to give you all the images that's on this landing page. We want this one. So I'm going to click it and I'm going to hit download. Now I have that background to put into my system. So we're going to come over here and hit image. We're going to go to my gallery and click upload. And we're going to bring that new page in. And if you're a pro member, you get all your image hosting here. So all your images you will be able to host. If you're a free member, you don't get this option, but you can still change out the pages if you want to, or pictures. You just can't host and keep your pictures saved here. So here's the picture we just imported. We're going to use that in the background. See how now we're staying more congruent, right? We're not going to use this, so we're going to delete this. We probably will be using this. So we're going to bring it up just a little bit. We won't be using these arrows. Alright, so go back to your page, look at it again. It doesn't get any easier than this. Push one button and enjoy daily traffic forever. Alright, so we're going to come back over to our landing page. We're going to grab this headline here and come back over to this, and we're going to come over here to the right, copy, and we're going to paste that in there. I'm going to change the color of that. What's the color? You go back and look at the color congruencies over here. It's blue and off greenish. So we want to keep that kind of the same, right? So So we're going to go and we're going to try to find a color that matches that. I would say it was something around this. Now we're going to make that just a little bit smaller. So we're going to come over to the right. We're going to bring the text down, make it smaller. We will expand it here. We're going to center this up. Come right over here, click middle. It'll center it up for us. Alright, now we're going to add more text. So we're going to come over here and click a text box. We're going to bring it down, expand it. Now we're going to come back and grab our third section here. It says press one button, hit copy. That we're going to paste that in here. We're going to change that to, let's see, what was the color pattern over here? Green and blue. We'll make that green. We're going to make these buttons this off green color here. Maybe that's not as close to it. I don't like that one either. That other one was the closest. You can scroll through, change the colors out more if you want. You can have a little color selector wheel here. You can choose and you can make the color any color you want to. We're going to go with that color for now, just for the purpose of this video. And we're going to make this bigger. I'm going to make it a whole lot bigger. Not that big. We're going to center that up. I'm going to change the font on that. See what that, no, I don't like that one. Okay. We're going to go with Anton here. See if we can make that just a little bit bigger. Too far? Let's go right there. I like that. Does it get any easier than this? Press one button. We're going to add another text box. We're going to bring it down here. We're going to expand this. Well, so we're going to leave that here. We're going to move this up here, and this is what we're going to use here. Move this down for a second. Let's make this a little bigger. Excuse me, guys. Center that. Alright. We're going to come over here. We're going to copy this. And we're going to paste that into here. Now, guys, all of these things I'm going into my notepad here and grabbing, they came from the actual sales page. I just went ahead and put them into a notepad to make it faster for this video. So we're going to bring this up a little more. Bring this here. We're going to center this. We're going to change the color of this. Let's see what it looks like in that yellow with blue. I don't think it's going to look okay, but we can try. No, it's not. I do not like that. Try green. I do not like that. We're just going to go back to black. We're going to make it bold. And we're going to change the font. There we go. I like that one. See, so far, it says attention, this is a complete set it and forget it system. It doesn't get any easier than this. Press one button and enjoy free daily traffic forever. So that's very congruent to our page, right? You can even add this in. No experience, email list, or technical skills required. I'm not going to do that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this text box here. And now that I'm giving a bonus, I'm going to give them incentive to purchase. So I'm going to tell them, act fast now by entering your email below and get my free bonus gift for you. So let's copy that. You can say anything you want here if you're giving away bonuses. If you're not giving away bonuses, you don't have to do this. You can literally just come up and bring up your opt-in form and let it be at that, and your page is completely done. I've learned simple is better. And if you're going to be running solo traffic to this, you probably don't want to capture their name. Somebody's more likely to put in their email than they are their name and their email. So it's a better chance if you're running solo ads. Now, if you're targeting these people and you're talking to these people before they opt in through like social media or something, yes, use the name. You grab the name, you can build more of a personal relationship. But just building a list, you don't have to collect the name, in which I'm probably not going to be collecting names with this list either. I get more opt-ins if I don't. We're going to take that, we're going to center it. And we're going to change that color to blue. Which blue do we use, guys? This one? All right. So let's change the font of that. I like that calm. Let's make it just a little bit bigger. All right. Now what we're going to do, let's make sure it's centered. We're going to add in a countdown timer. Right? Now this is going to apply pressure, because now they see that the offer is very cheap. It only has a $7 front end, and they can get to use the system for $7, right? Well, now I'm giving them enough bonus. I'm giving them over $1,800 worth of bonuses just for them making that purchase. They see that it's a countdown timer. That's going to give them more incentive to purchase. So they're going to be thinking on that. They're going to be dwelling on it. Then what they're going to probably do is, more than likely, what do you do when you go to a store? You shop around, right? Trying to find the biggest bang for your buck. Well, that's probably what they're going to do. They're going to come opt into yours. They're going to check out the product. Then they're probably going to go over to YouTube and do a lot more searches on this product and see what it's about. And then if other people are offering bonuses, they may purchase from them. So if you have something more antagonizing that they're going to get more product for their money, then more than likely they're going to come all the way back to your link and purchase from you. So it's a great thing to add bonuses. Now you can get bonuses from just being in affiliate marketing for a while. You can take products that you have, as long as you can get resale rights to them, and you can offer those bonuses. If not, you can go to a website called idplr.com, and you can get bonuses for free there, and you can use those ebooks. You can create your own offer. So you've created a training course, something similar to what we're doing here, and you could give them that training course as a free bonus. Anything that they would do it. I've just collected a lot of bonuses over my time of doing affiliate marketing, and that's why I have 14 bonuses. I have more than that, but that's what I'm offering. And all the products are worth the money. They're very great products. I've used them myself. And on this one, instead of, we're just going to do a page load, because if you use page load, it goes back to the same time every time they log in. You don't want that. You want it to actually count down. So go to fixed time, and we're going to set the month and date. This product just launched yesterday. I think the product launch ends on the 8th or the 9th. So I'm going to go ahead and set it for the 9th. That'll give them like 10 days or something, maybe a little more. We're going to go with the 9th. And we're going to set it to about 10 o'clock, because that's usually when most products are released, or when they're over on Warrior Plus, is about 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. And simply hit done. So now this timer is going to start counting down. So every time they log into it, that time is going to be counting down every single time. So let's center this. All right, we're going to, like I said, we're going to remove the name. We don't need that. The input field name. All I want is the button and your email. I'm going to make my email field a little bit bigger. Let's see, I made that 390. 390 is the width. So we're going to come over here to the button, and we're going to make it 390. You can literally just type it in and make the button the same size. Bring it back here, hit center, hit the middle, bring this one here. I'm going to make the button a little bigger. We're going to leave the button orange, and we're going to make the corners a little rounded. Go with about 8. Alright. Now we're going to go back to the page and see what they have on their button. Click here to get instant access. That's what we're going to say also. Copy this. Come back over. We're going to go to our button, and we're going to simply paste that in. Alright, so here's our landing page so far. So now what I'm going to do is, bear with me for a moment. I'll be right back. My computer is dying. I've got to go. Sorry about that, guys. My laptop was dying. I had to go grab my charger real quick. So let's go back over here. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to give them a preview of what my bonuses are that I'm offering them. So I'm going to add 10 of the 14 bonuses that I have to this page so they can see them, but they can't get them unless they access and purchase the product. So I'm going to come back over here and we're going to hit image. I'm going to do 10 of those because I have 10 products. You don't have to do that. You could say, here's just 5 of the bonuses that you're going to get, but I'm going to put the whole 10 on there. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we're going to drag this one down. Keep bringing it down, keep bringing it down. That way this will expand more. I don't know what, there it goes. It's not giving me the option. So we're going to make this just a little bit bigger. But first, let's add the image so we know about what size to do it. So you're going to click that picture. You're going to come over here and click image URL. You can either put the image URL in. If you have a URL to it, you can scroll through, or you can go to your gallery. Most of your bonuses are going to come with pictures. You can use, this is just the way I have it set up. So we're going to go with bonus number 1. It's going to go here. That's about an okay size for me. So we got that 295, 182. So now we're going to grab our second one. I may only do 5 just to show. Then we're going to come back over here and add our image in this one. We're going to go back and get bonus number 2. What was it? We had it 295, 182. So simply come over here and just type in 295, 182. See, this is a very, very easy funnel builder, guys. You can build beautiful pages with this. I think this is a great page already. Some funnel builders out there, you can't even get nowhere near this. And especially for free. You get all of this, plus you get an autoresponder with a no subscriber cap, get response, and Aweber and System.io all have, you can build landing pages and you can have an autoresponder together. But Aweber and GetResponse have a 500 subscriber cutoff. So after 500 subscribers, you have to upgrade. You don't have to do that with LeadsLeap. And System.io has 1,000 subscribers, but after 1,000, you have to upgrade. And this has list cleaning system built into it. So if you have a subscriber on here that's been in your system, hadn't checked your emails for over 30 days, it automatically deletes them. Because you don't want to be sending emails out to people that's not getting them, because that's how you get your bounce rate high. Or if the emails don't work and you're sending emails to blank emails, because people do put in fake emails, you can get an email generator. People use that a lot to opt into these things. You don't want that, because if you're sending out emails to emails that don't work, or email addresses that don't work, you'll get a high bounce rate. You don't want that. we're going to come back over here, click image. I'm going to go ahead and grab my third one. We're going to make that 295 by 182. Simply center that. I'm just going to use 4 for this video tutorial. You can go on down, you can make them smaller, bigger, whatever you would like. I'm just doing this for example, guys. I'm going to grab our bonus number 4. Uh, 295 by 182. I don't know why I keep forgetting that. We're going to simply center that. Alright, so there's your bonuses, right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate the timer. Come right here and hit duplicate. Why it done that, I don't know. It should have made the exact same one that we have there, but it didn't, but that's okay. Now all we gotta do is come back over here, hit fix time, set it for the same thing, 9, 10 o'clock, done. Alright, we're gonna hit center on that, the middle. Alright, now we're gonna tell them, if you act now, you will get my free bonuses before the time runs out. Copy that. We're going to grab a text box. Put that there. What color did we make it before? We're going to make that blue too. So we're going to bring that. We're going to paste in that. We're going to make this a little bigger here. We're going to center this. And we're going to change the font and the color to blue. If you act now, you will get my bonuses before the timer runs out. We're going to put the timer underneath. We're going to bring this back up to here. Make sure it's in the middle. Bring this up here. We're going to put this in the middle. Alright, now we're going to go back. Now here's where we start adding our links and stuff like that. Well, you also want to, underneath your button, you want to say your information is 100% safe. You can unsubscribe with one click. Anything of that manner. Your little disclaimer type thing here. Let's add a new text box. I'm going to bring that down to right here. Make it a little bit wider. We're going to paste that in. I'm going to stretch that out just a little bit more. And we're going to make it smaller. We're going to make that yellow, I believe. Your information is safe. You can unsubscribe with one click. Alright, now we're going to duplicate this button. First, now on this button, we want it, see, come over here, you have your button top. What do you want it to do? We want this button to be a submit, so that when they put in their email, they automatically go into your list. So that's correct. Now we're going to take this button, we're going to duplicate it, so we don't have to recreate a whole new button. We're going to take this button, we're going to bring it down here. If it'll move, for some reason it's not doing. We're going to put this button here. And we're going to make sure it's in the middle. And we're going to take this button and we're going to put it scroll to opt-in form. So now when they click this button, it's going to automatically take them back up here to the opt-in form. Let me delete these guys, get them out of the way. Alright, so there's our page. It's completely done. Our bonuses are added. They have incentives, so we can go do a full page preview of what the page is going to look like. Alright, now here's our page. It's counting down 10 days. So when they enter their email, they can hit submit. They're going to see what bonuses they're going to get. You're giving more incentive. They're seeing the timer again. If they click this, it takes them immediately back up here to the opt-in form. So the page is working beautifully. So now you simply just hit save. For some reason it don't like my internet whenever I'm recording at the same time. After your page is saved, you would simply come back over to your list manager. Come back over to page manager. And these right here will be your links. If you're a pro member, you can get this link. You can customize it. If you're a free member, you will only get this link. This is the link that you'll be sending your traffic to on that page. So you would simply just click use, come up here, copy that, and that's what you would put in your TikTok bio, whatever it is, wherever you're promoting. This is the page you want them to send to start building your list. So I hope you guys got some value out of that. So you can use anything you want. You don't have to use a Warrior Plus product. You can use a ClickBank product, whatever you want. So I hope this helped you. Thank you and have a blessed day.